is a shur on Tefilla. We are by the Gimel Midot Avraham. We finished the first one, now we are the second one, Rachum. Rachum means compassionate. Compassionate. First of all, to be compassionate toward other people, have mercy toward other people. Now, a lot of times, we have mercy with people that we love, we like. But Tomar Devorah, such a big Mekubal, great Mekubal, goes and says that having mercy with the people that are easygoing and naturally you have mercy, that is not a great job. The great job is to have mercy with the people that they don't. It's very hard. Somebody came to me and said that, there is somebody that everybody has a problem with him. Whenever that I see him, I'm in friction with him. It bothers me. I feel so terrible when I see him. Then what should I do? Whenever that I see him, I'm in fire because his attitude is talking. I told him, how many times do you see him? He said 2-3 times during the week. And I can't avoid it, I see him. And then I told him, when you see him, what happens? His attitude, everything is so terrible about him that there's no way to relate. There is no way, it just makes me upset and angry. I told him, see, imagine if you just see him a few times during the week, and that happens to you, what happens to his wife? What happens to his children? What happens to his co-workers? Everybody says that everybody is suffering from him. I said, see, what's happening here is that he has some type of problem. He grew up with something, with shortcoming in his way of growing up. And now that shortcoming is kicking out and showing such a terrible personality of them. Imagine somebody had a brother that always bossing him around, always crashing him down, always telling him you are good for nobody. Now, whenever that he sees somebody relating to him, that it doesn't tell him something about him or makes a comment, he associates with his older brother. And he feels that this older brother is crushing me, he's trying to crush me. And he starts talking to him, not being nice to him. Therefore, what's happening to him is unfortunate. He grew up in a very unfortunate way. That the Hakadosh created people to be yashar, to be straight, to be good. But there are a lot of corruption around. And I told him, see, he's in Gehinnom. He doesn't have life. If he cannot have a normal conversation with you for 3 times during the week, could he have a normal conversation with his wife, with his children? He is poor guy. Poor guy. He's in Gehinnom. He's burning inside. Doesn't know what to do with himself. That's why he's fighting with everybody. That's why it's happening to him. And he was looking at me, amazed. He says, okay, what should I do? He said, whenever that you see him, daven for him, pray for him, feel bad for him, have mercy to him. This is a real mercy. When a person could have, Tomar Devorah says, person has to have mercy for everybody. Everybody. When you say Rachum, no, we want to awaken the Rahman, the mercy of Hashem. Avraham says, have mercy toward other people. Not just good people, not just people that you love, people that they did things against you. Have mercy. Because, see, there is some type of shortcoming, something that made him to do that. Feel bad for him that he's like this. Daven for him, pray for him. At least you are not associated with him to suffer, or you are not him to suffer for the rest of his life. Be thankful that you are not him, and pray and daven that Allah should help him to get him out of this mud. Therefore, when we say Rachum, we have to awaken this merciness in ourselves. Then Hakadosh Baruch Hu would awaken that for ourselves, for all the house.